Hey everybody, we're gonna do something a little different today. This isn't something we normally do, but we have a good customer of ours that has a Northstar Ranger for sale. So we're gonna do a quick walk around and talk to you guys about it. It's really cool. It's got a lot of crazy stuff on it, so you guys will like it. And like I said, it's for sale, so hit us up in the DMs if you're interested in it. Starting with the front, Thumper Fab front bumper on it. These bumpers are awesome. We are a Thumper Fab dealer. These bumpers are really stout and great for winches, which is mounted right inside there. Of course, KC lights on the front, Flex Aero 3s with the red bezels. As you come to the side, you'll see the awesome red OMF wheels with the BFG 32-inch KN3 tires. And what you can see peeking behind the tire there is the Fox shocks with a high lifter long travel suspension kit. That's why you see the extra height out of this thing. It has long travel and the Fox shocks from Shock Therapy on it. So it's a perfect setup. This thing rides smooth, perfect for the ranches, the farms, all that good stuff. Obviously, it's a Northstar Edition, so it is cooled and heated inside, has tinted windows all the way around. It has the Sector 7 lighted mirrors. Oh, full turn signal kit too. It's kind of hard to see that obviously in the car, but it does have a turn signal kit. Thumper Fab Nerf bars. Again, OMF wheels in the rear with all the suspension to match. Rear bumper is from Thumper Fab also. Lighted license plate, some burly tow hooks to match the theme of the car. It's just big and over the top. Up top, it's got a KC light bar with Pro 6s on it, and it also has more flex arrows in the back, facing back for work lights and stuff, and getting in your, getting in the bed and getting stuff taken care of on the farm, ranch, cabin, whatever you're using it for. Inside, we have full Fosgate stereo system. See, it's got the speakers above, and it's got speakers underneath the dash, and it has a Switch Pros also. One really cool thing is headliner has the Starry night like the Rolls Royce. It has it in red lights, which is really cool. It's a suede headliner with the red lights in it. All the speakers glow red. Obviously matches the red theme of the car. Cool thing about this car, 35 miles. It's brand new. It's ready to go. If you need one of these at your cabin, shoot us a DM. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.